cool things in my house.
And here's another cool thing in my house, this fabulous little shelving unit that lives above my Barbie house and my working desk here. And I actually got this when I was living in Germany. It was the very first thing I bought when I moved there. And just to show my age a little bit more, it was originally supposed to be used for CDs. It's a CD shelf, but I put it up on the wall and it now houses my little collection of cool containers and stuff that I've collected over the years. So let's take a closer look at some of them. Okay, let's take a closer look at my lovely jars. Now, I actually got all of these when I was living in Germany, and of course they're all very, very cool and hand painted, and they're all made of wood. I used to actually store things in these, but they're just too pretty, and I don't know, I was worried that I might damage them, so I don't really store things in them anymore. But if you have any ideas of what you think I should put in my lovely little wooden containers here, do let me know. This one, actually, I do store my collection of push pins in, but the rest of them I do not. And I just love all the little gorgeous labels on the bottom and the fact that they were clearly all handmade and hand painted.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.